Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Penyang. First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Keep on subscribing for those who are not yet subscribed. And don't forget to hit the like button. Please give me a thumbs up. For today's vlog, I'm gonna tell you how to enable back a disabled monetization. That is one thing happened to my channel as well. Of course, I'm not gonna do this video if it didn't happen to me.
No, 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 no.
And thank you for being well, tech savvy. I was able to um, not actually enable, but I was able to make my channel monetize in a correct way. I mean, not literally it is already monetizing, not yet, because I haven't hit 1,000 likes and 4,000 hours watching yet. Okay, so what I mean is my monetization has been disabled because of my Google AdSense account. I don't know what happened to that account, but when I click monetization, and for some reason I receive an email from Google AdSense that um, I don't know, it was monetization has been disabled on my account. I'll I'll show you the screenshot of that email. So please wait.
Oh no!
Now, here's what I did. Okay. So first, you have to change your Google AdSense account, or you have to unlink your previous Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Why? Because that's the reason why monetization has been disabled to your account. Okay? For changing your associated Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel, here's what you need to do. Watch out again. Alright, so guys, this was my account when it was still disabled. As you can see here, wait, hold on. Okay, as you can see here it says monetization is disabled for some reason. I don't know how it happened. Then I'll show you the next thing I did, which is 1 second. Okay, next thing I did was I went to my Gmail account and look for the first email. Hold on. Hey, what happened? Okay, here. So I looked for the first email that I received from Google AdSense, and that was, oh, wrong. Wait, that was here. Okay. So I went to this email. This was my first AdSense ID that I created, which was the result of my monetization being disabled. So what I did was I changed it. So I clicked this one. Okay, did you notice that? Okay. So after clicking it, okay, it went to my Google account. I'm sorry, it went to my YouTube channel under monetization. Okay, And after it went to my monetization page, as you can see, the AdSense ID is different. Yes, it is already different because I already changed it to this one, and this one corrects everything. Okay, so here, after you click the button on the first page on the Google or Gmail account, it went to this one, it went to this, and then you have to click change. Okay, for those who has disabled account or disabled monetization channel, click change here, and then it will go to hold on 1 second, it will ask you to change your AdSense ID. Okay, let me check what will happen if okay, hold on. Once you click change, it will go to this one. Okay, okay, this was um this what it looks like when you have a disabled account, because of Google AdSense. Okay, it will say something like this. So what you need to do is to click your icon here. Okay, click your icon and use a different account. So you have to use a different account. So I use this one. This is my new AdSense account. I use this one here. And then after I selected that, I just followed the process. I created a new AdSense account. I also put my name, my address, and I accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so those are the things that you need to do. Just follow the process after you click new account or after you change your AdSense account. All right, and then once it became successful, it will direct you back to your to your YouTube channel. It will go back here. It will go back here, but it will appear like this. It should be under status and features. Okay, so let's wait.
A few moments later.
When you go back or when you are finished creating your AdSense new AdSense account, it will direct you here, and after 24 hours it will look like this, not enabled, which is the right one because I haven't hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watching hours yet. So your monetization on this page should look like this. Okay, that means everything is okay. All right, so before it says it was disabled, but now it's already not enabled, and of course it will be enabled once you hit the requirements. Okay, so again, just follow the process that I did. Change your associated AdSense account to your YouTube channel. In that way your monetization will become not enabled. Okay, and that's it.
Oh my god! Wow!
So after doing those things, after following what I did, after 24 hours, I think it's within 24 hours to 48 hours. I just didn't notice it because after 24 hours, I checked my channel, and gladly it says that monetization is now saying it is not enabled. I mean, not saying, but I just noticed that it became not enabled, which is the right thing. So again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe, okay? For more videos. You will get a lot of information from me. Okay? And please share this video so that other people will be notified, and of course so that we can help them as well. Alright? Bye bye.